Janine at Jericho, latest updates. Nini, busy sa kabi-kabilang endorsement. Busy nga ang kapamilya actress at TV host star na si Janine Gutierrez sa kabi-kabilang mga endorsement at commercials.
And it's a 60 times more effective than vitamin C, as you can see on the graph kanina.
While ang kapamilya actor at Asian drama king na si Jericho Rosales ay busy naman sa pag-ikot para sa ipalalabas na movie nila na Quezon. Isa rin ang actor sa cover ng magazine na Esquire.
Look at these names. Oh my God. Hey JC. Hey Ian. Megan Ryan. Congrats, guys. Style. Like he's very stylish. He loves to dance, which I love to dance also. And how much he loves people. Led Zeppelin. Very interesting. My signet ring. Pinakbet. North. Baguio. Pangako sa'yo. Oh, I love... so hard. But jazz. Self-help. It's called Letting Go by Hawkins, and it's like my Bible. It's the best book for actors and to try to understand their emotions and basically just living a free life. I would say boxing with my family. Just being at home doing nothing. Cleaning the house. Well, to be honest, rearranging the furniture sa bahay. White t-shirt. It's always going to be the question of what's a life worth living? Found you. There you go.
So, eto muna guys ang pinaka-latest update sa magkasintahan na sina Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales sa ngayon. Kaya tumutok at wag na wag bibitiw. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.